Absolutely stunning view. Alright, welcome to another episode of Endon, Tennessee carpet cleaning. Oh, no furnitures, no obstacle. More than that, already been hoovered with a Dyson by the landlady, so I don't need to hoover this time. Brilliant. Especially with the hoover is with the jelly brush. I don't know why I took off the shoes. Oh, that's gonna come out very nicely. Traffic lines for the living room. Nice fireplace. Basically, I wanted to show you before, and I'm gonna later on show you after. Oh, that's a good angle. You can see the traffic lines. It's around the farm, so you can expect muddy stairs. Very dirty. Oh, that's a good angle. You can see that. I can't wait to show you how they're gonna come out really nicely. Alright, upstairs, 3 bedrooms, all rooms the same carpet. I didn't test it yet, but under my feet feels like synthetic. Oh, I didn't saw that bit. Oh, there was a furniture on that. There was a bed under there. Landing. You can see the traffic line in it. And the bedrooms. I didn't test the carpet yet, but I think today I'm gonna use some enzymes with solvent pre-sprayer. Just got that feeling. Gonna open the windows for the nice flow. Quite a nice weather for drying. Alright, I'll see you in a bit with after shots. Let's take a look. Hard to recognize the living room. Traffic lights gone. Let's check the stairs. Oh yeah. And landing. Whoosh. There was that nasty stain. Gone. That'll be it. Just after 3 hours of cleaning.